Have you ever wondered about the future of solar energy in Poland? Asks Marko Hernaiz, Lighthief's CEO. Well, the dawn of solar energy in Poland has been quite fascinating, and it's a story worth telling. For a long time, Poland's energy sector was dominated by traditional sources like coal. However, the winds of change have been blowing, and the sun has been shining brighter than ever on the country's energy landscape. In recent years, Poland has been making great strides in harnessing solar energy, emerging as the third largest solar market in Europe, trailing only Germany and Spain. So, how did this happen? Well, it all comes down to a combination of favorable regulations, environmental consciousness, and strategic business decisions. Unlike in Germany or Spain, the process of building and operationalizing solar farms in Poland is much simpler and swifter. This ease of setup, coupled with a well-calculated investment and well-chosen energy contracts, often results in a payback time of only 6 to 8 years. The rise of the Polish solar market has also caught the eye of prominent institutional investors. Why? Because it offers predictable income over the long term. Infrastructure funds are piling into solar investments, and even old markets in Europe such as Spain, Italy and France are re-emerging, drawn by the allure of the Polish solar market. What's more, the return on investment (ROI) levels in the Polish solar market range between 12 to 15%, a figure few other markets can boast, adds Mr Hernaiz, Lighthief's co-founder. Add to this the steady increase in energy prices, and you have a market that presents an attractive investment opportunity. But the story doesn't end here. The dawn of solar energy in Poland is just the beginning. The country's solar market continues to grow, offering not just a solution for sustainable energy, but also a platform for economic growth and innovation. The future looks bright, and the sun is far from setting on Poland's solar energy journey. With the rise in energy prices, the Polish solar market presents an attractive investment opportunity. But what challenges and opportunities does the solar energy sector in Poland hold? Let's begin with the challenges. The solar industry in Poland is relatively new, and as such, it faces a unique set of hurdles. One of these is asset management. As solar farm owners expand their operations across different geographies, they face a new set of regulatory and environmental challenges. Each location has its own unique set of rules and regulations, and navigating through this maze can be complex. Additionally, there are several business models to consider, including subsidized power purchase agreements or purely commercial, each with its own set of complexities. Moreover, the environmental impact of solar farms is another challenge that needs to be addressed. Ensuring that the solar farms are not only efficient, but also sustainable and environmentally friendly is a task that requires careful planning and execution. But it's not all gloomy in the solar sector in Poland. On the contrary, there are several opportunities that make this industry quite exciting. One of these is market consolidation. As the industry matures, we're seeing signs of consolidation, with prominent players in the renewable energy sector stepping in. This is a positive sign, indicating a maturing and stabilizing market. Furthermore, the steady rise in energy prices presents an opportunity to multiply profits by the value of investment assets. With the payback time of 6 to 8 years, few other markets offer such incredible prospects. This is largely due to the ease and speed of building and putting solar farms into use in Poland compared to other European countries such as Germany or Spain. Moreover, the involvement of large state or privately owned entities as the main customers provides a steady source of demand. These entities require structures for proper supervision and management of solar power plants, thus creating a need for asset management services. In conclusion, while the solar energy sector in Poland does face its share of challenges, it also presents numerous opportunities. With market consolidation, the involvement of prominent players, and the steadily rising energy prices, the future looks bright for this industry. Despite the challenges, the opportunities in the solar energy sector in Poland are immense. But what does asset management for solar farms entail? It's a question that's been hovering in our minds. Let's break it down. Solar asset management is a comprehensive process that begins at the very inception of a solar project. It starts with the planning of investments in photovoltaic assets. This stage includes a preliminary determination of potential profits and risks attached to the project. It's like the first step into the unknown, where we estimate the size of the planned investments in the photovoltaic portfolio. But it doesn't end there. The next step is to select appropriate financial instruments for the purchase of these assets. This is a crucial stage where we decide how best to finance the project, whether through loans, equity, or a combination of both. It's like finding the right tool from a toolbox to get the job done. In parallel, we also need to select the proper legal and commercial structures that will own the new renewable energy investment portfolio. These could be special purpose vehicles or a different type of commercial law entity. This step is akin to deciding who will hold the steering wheel of this venture. Once we've got the finances and legal structure sorted, it's time to check the photovoltaic project's or ready-made photovoltaic farm's profitability and transaction security. This involves conducting legal and technical due diligence, like a doctor performing a thorough checkup before declaring the patient fit. As we move forward, we conduct the process of acquiring assets and incorporating them into the ownership structure, with all relevant assignments of contracts and concessions. It's like adding new books to a library, each with its unique story and value. Once the assets are secured, we supervise the construction of solar farms and their energy supply. This involves managing the general contractor, subcontractors, and design offices. It's like orchestrating a symphony where every instrument plays a crucial role. The process continues with the sale of energy in the form of power purchase agreements, auctions, or other forms previously agreed with the investor. All the while, we also oversee the company offering operation and maintenance services and handle legal and tax aspects of the investment. Finally, we implement transparent reporting for the investor and develop options for the solar farm investment portfolio's growth. Clearly, the role of an asset manager in solar farms is multifaceted and critical for the success of the investment. So, what does the future hold for solar energy in Poland? The future of solar energy in Poland is incredibly promising, driven by a combination of factors. The rise in energy prices is one major driver of this growth. As costs continue to escalate, solar energy's ability to provide a stable, predictable source of power becomes increasingly attractive. This is particularly true for large state or privately owned entities that rely heavily on consistent energy supplies. But it's not just the rising costs that are driving the growth of solar energy. There's also a strong commitment to combating climate change. As a nation, Poland is deeply invested in the transition to renewable energy sources. Solar energy plays a crucial role in this transition, offering a clean, sustainable solution to the country's energy needs. The financial aspects of investing in solar energy are also fundamental. Solar farms in Poland have demonstrated a return on investment levels in the range of 12 to 15%, a figure that few other markets can match. With the payback time for investments as short as 6 to 8 years, the financial benefits are hard to ignore. Further fueling this growth is the ease and speed of building and implementing solar farms in Poland. Unlike in countries such as Germany or Spain, the process is much more straightforward, providing an attractive proposition for investors. The potential for continued growth in the solar energy sector is vast, admits Marko Hernaiz, CEO of Lighthief. With the right asset management, this growth can be efficiently harnessed, providing not just a profitable investment but a valuable contribution to the fight against climate change. Asset management in the solar industry involves careful planning, financial and legal oversight, and transparent reporting. It's a complex process, but one that is essential for the successful operation and profitability of solar farms. In conclusion, the outlook for solar energy in Poland is exceptionally positive. With rising energy prices, a commitment to combating climate change, and attractive financial returns, the sector offers significant opportunities for investors. The future of solar energy in Poland is bright, offering significant opportunities for investors. In conclusion, the journey of solar energy in Poland is one filled with promise. We've explored the remarkable growth of the solar market, the unique challenges, and the enticing opportunities it presents. Asset management underpins this sector, ensuring profitability and long-term sustainability. It's a vibrant landscape, full of potential for investors. As we look to the future, solar energy in Poland will continue to play a vital role in the energy transition, offering lucrative opportunities for investors.